looking and welcome to my cooking rubric. Today we are stuffing zucchini. For the recipe, you are going to need a zucchini, carrots, egg, garlic, fresh dill, steamed chicken, ricotta, cream cheese, Parmesan, and olive oil. Let's get the stuffing ready first. Start by peeling and shredding the carrot, and then finely chop the chicken and combine them. Then finely chop the dill and add the cream cheese and the ricotta. The cream cheese that I'm using for this recipe is with herbs and it's very flavorful. Now add the egg and then shred the garlic and mix well so that all ingredients can combine. And the stuffing is ready, so now let's get the zucchini prepped too. Start by removing the zucchini end and then cut across so that it can be split into equal parts. I find using a spoon very convenient to remove the seeds part. Now this can be used to make dots or you can just toss it. Arrange the zucchini in a cooking pan and then stuff them. Now preheat your oven at 350 degrees and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now sprinkle with Parmesan and enjoy! If you enjoy such videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button, don't forget the bell, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye!